Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We're talking about a company today that is not as well known for sure, but it's definitely doing big things. This is a penny stock that is in the recycling sector, and I think we all know that the recycling sector is just growing and growing. The world is trying to move in an energy efficient way, and this is a company that is really trying to help with that. This is more specifically in the lead recycling. So yeah, this is an exciting opportunity, and I think this is a company that could potentially 10x in a few years. And if you find everything in this video useful or interesting, or you just want to help me out, go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also, we talk all things stock market, and there's a lot of penny stocks on there we're talking about at the moment. Join our Discord, it's completely free. I'll leave that in the link in the description below. So yeah, let's jump straight into this one. We're talking about AquaMetals, ticker symbol AQMS. So AquaMetals is in a very niche field, but is in one of the largest recycling fields out there. Their mission is to transform the lead acid battery recycling industry to be better for today's world. They have a technology that is cleaner, more energy efficient, cost effective, and produces ultra pure lead to modernize the global recycling activity. So this is absolutely huge, okay? Nobody else is doing something like this at the moment. So lead is the most recycled material in the world. So this is in a very big space right now to take advantage of this. They have found a solution to a problem. The current way of recycling lead or getting rid of it is to lead smelting, and this generates toxic liquid, gases, and particular waste, which is difficult and expensive to manage. So that is a very, very big problem. They're trying to recycle lead, but it's creating more and more toxic waste, so it's not good for the environment. And on top of that, lead smelting is listed as one of the world's top 5 most polluting industries. That is huge. So it's in the top 5 most polluting industries. We know the world is trying to be in a more energy efficient way. So AquaMetals have come up with this technology which is going to help make it more energy efficient and environmentally friendly to recycle lead. So what exactly is this technology they've come up with? Well, it's called Aquarefining, and it is going to increase lead production without increasing emissions, which is absolutely huge, a big and bold statement. So I'm going to put this up on the screen. This is the process. The battery will come into the breaker. The lead paste will get separated out, and it will go through the Aquarefining technology, which is then going to basically melt this all down, recycle it all, and it will be able to be sold on for pure aquarefined lead. So they're going to make money from this, and they are recycling it at the same point. And also the water will be recycled back into the system. So that is also not going to waste, and any salt water will be shipped off site for processing. This is definitely beating the current system, which is just sending all these materials off for smelting, creating more and more toxic waste. The future of energy is clean, and this is a clean energy solution. And you can see here, these modulars that they are using, they are increasing global lead production without increasing emissions. And what they're mainly trying to do here is license these modulars out to different parts of the world, okay? So they don't want to necessarily have these factories everywhere, but they want to license it out. So they're going to get a nice income constantly coming in from these licensed premises. And you can see they're having them all over the world. Australia, Europe, Asia, America, all over. So this is really going to become a global production here. So I want to jump into their presentation because there's some really key points on this. The first thing here is their financials, okay? Their cash on hand. As of their last quarter results, which was about October, September time, they have $5.6 million of cash on hand. That doesn't sound a lot, but this is a very small market cap stock. So that's a quite substantial amount right there. And they say here, debt expected to be debt free by 2020. Well, update to that, yes, they are now debt free. You can see they released this press release as of December the 15th. AquaMetals is now debt free. This was a huge catalyst for this company, which also led to the share price seeing a big movement up as we have in the last few weeks. So this is more and more great news for the company. No debt, cash on hand. The industry they're going into has a 20 billion lead recycling industry at this moment in time, which feeds the 65 billion lead battery industry. So the opportunity for growth is really huge. And if they can get these licenses out to all these different parts of the world, this has huge potential growth right now. We'll have a look at their key business drivers, the reason that we are potentially investing into this company. 20 plus billion of the global lead recycling industry needs a major upgrade. As we can imagine, we've spoken about the lead smelting. It's old fashioned, it is toxic, it needs to be gone. How is it going to be replaced? With Aquarefining technology. This is going to take over and become the next leading energy efficient lead recycling company, basically. The industry and planet needs environmental friendly technology to increase sustainability by reducing emissions. I mean, we already know that. So this is in a sector which is going to be growing and going to have to find a way of improving, that's for sure. So what are their plans going forward? Well, their core technologies of Aquarefined lead is already proven. We know that. This is good. It's not like a company which is coming up with an idea. This has an idea and it works, okay? This is not just an idea. This is a technology that is already proven. The issue they now have is how are they going to get it out there? How are they going to let the world know about this product? Well, that's where the licensing is going to come in. Their main focus is on global licensing and an opportunity to incorporate aquarefining into industry, upgrading existing ways of getting rid of this lead, etc., recycling it with aquarefining technology. So now you might be thinking, lead, why is this so important? We've already spoke about it being the #1 recycled material in the world. But if we look here as well, why this matters, why aquarefined lead matters, there's lots of different sectors. We've got the auto growth in emerging markets, China, India, South America. The cars are using additional lead batteries for stop-start functionality. On top of that, we've got the renewable energy. We obviously know about solar panels, wind turbines, renewable energy. This is important, and this is a type of renewable energy. Data center and telecom industries, they are growing and growing, and they utilize lead batteries for backup power. And then last but not least, definitely not least that for sure, EV, electric vehicles. They also use lead batteries. So this is very important, okay, because we know EV is going to be taken over. All cars are probably going to be EV in the next 10 years or something like that. So if lead is part of that, this is a very, very big industry and sector for sure. And we can see how much this is just expected to go. Nearly double to 84 billion plus by 2025, driving demand for lead. That's just annual lab sales. So that is absolutely huge numbers right there. And we can see this growth. The chart is going up and up and up. The money is going up and up as well. This is an opportunity which is really in a unique and exciting space. So that right there in a nutshell is what this company does. I think you can agree it is definitely a solution to a big problem. They have good cash on their balance sheet, 5 million, okay? It's not the most amount of cash in the world, but there is cash there. They're also making a small amount of revenue each month, okay? This is just getting started, really. They need to start pushing their licensing out, and the more licensees they have, the more revenue they're going to make. And they have no debt. That is a massive, massive catalyst for this company, which is why we see the price go up over the last few weeks. On top of that, more news that set this price up. This was an article released by AquaMetals just a few weeks ago, December the 28th, okay, literally about a week or so ago. AquaMetals achieved significant improvements to its sustainability-focused battery recycling technology. They have improved their technology, which is absolutely huge, and this sees the stock rally. This new program was completed on time and under budget, and it achieved lead production that is 100% greater compared to their previous electrolyzer. So this is massive. And on top of this, results from this could impact the capital by minus 50% and operating expenses by minus 60%. And it says here, for future equipment supply and licensee customers, doubling results in a 50% reduction. So this is absolutely massive. It's going to be cost effective and saving money. So let's actually jump into their stock now and see where we're currently at. At the time of recording this, we are at around about $3.72. So that has had a massive run up in the last couple of weeks alone. If we go back to around about 16th of December, it has gone up 223%. That is absolutely crazy gains in a matter of a couple of weeks, thanks to the latest updates, the debt-free, and the fact that the technology is improving, and it's saving them money as well. And we can look back to the last 6 months. It's kind of been trading around about $1 for most of the year, but it's only just shot up based on this recent news and recent improvements in the technology. Obviously, when the next quarter results come out, we could probably see another shoot up as well, because I imagine they'll be quite good as well, or definitely better than their Q3 results. But with that in mind, I am not a financial advisor, and this is a penny stock. It is extremely volatile. You should always do your own research, because just as much as this shot up 200%, this could drop down 50% on a Monday morning or something like that. This could drop, okay? You never know, there are penny stocks. However, if you're investing in this for the long term, then I really do like their direction of this company. I think, as we've established, this is something that is needed. It is a solution to a problem, and it seems to be growing and growing. So yeah, definitely one I'm going to be keeping an eye on for sure. I'm excited to see the next quarter results. Are they going to be good? And also, yeah, this just seems to be going up to strength to strength. By the time we next look at this, it might not even be a penny stock. It could be $6 or so. But I really do think in the next few years, this has a potential to 10x its current price. If they can get these licensing models out, then the opportunity for growth is absolutely huge. Let me know if this is one you've looked into before. Like I say, it's gone under the radar somewhat. Not many people have heard of this company. It is a penny stock. It has a market cap of just about 230 million. So it's not well known at the moment, but I do think that market cap could be a huge amount higher in a few years' time. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you could smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that is greatly appreciated. Also, let me know if there's any other penny stocks you'd like me to cover, because I'm definitely open to that. You know, there's a lot of penny stocks out there right now. Some are good, some not so good. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time,